here. I'm just going to quickly, very quickly run you through how to access your Zoom lesson via the student portal. So once you're logged into your student account, I'm just logged in as a test student. Just go down to the left hand side. This is on a computer, by the way. I will show you how to do it on a device via the app in another video. So go down the left hand side, click schedule, click weekly schedule. Then you'll see your lesson on wherever you're booked in on. If you click that, and then this little Zoom icon next to your name, join meeting room, as it's just popped up with, if you just click that, you'll get a pop-up saying, do you want to launch Zoom? You can click a little box that usually comes up here on the browser page to open the application. Some computers will do it, some might not. Yeah, if you click it, it will automatically do what I did on my computer and open up Zoom. And as you see, it's opened up the it has opened up the meeting. And you'll probably see me in a sec. Hello. So yeah, so it will open up the meeting as easy as that. And but just to reassure you guys, you can access log into Zoom exactly how you've been doing it. TeacherZone is a learning management system, so it's for me to pass on the lesson notes and the practice assignments, videos, all the materials will be up there. All the billing and scheduling will be done in it. So I know it might feel like a lot at the moment, and it feels like a lot for me, but once we are set up, it's going to be such a breeze because everything will be in one place, things will be automated, it'll be awesome. And students can have lots of fun going up the ranks, using the practice timer, earning badges and stuff like that. So I'll see you guys in your lesson.